Today, we'll learn about some basic tools that every home repair shop should have in order to perform basic adjustment and maintenance procedures. I'll cover more advanced tools in a future tutorial.
The most important tool in any shop is a repair stand. Park Tools makes an economy stand called the PCS9 that will do the job, but if you're going to be working on bikes regularly, I'd recommend the PCS4 because of the superior clamping system. If you're not ready to invest, you can always hang your bike from the ceiling, and for minor adjustments you can also use a bike display stand to keep your rear wheel off the ground. If you're adventurous, you can always build your own stand. Beside this video, you'll find a link to a Bike Hacks article showcasing some do-it-yourself repair stands. For basic cleaning, you should have some cleaning solvent and a supply of rags. I find the Park Gear cleaning brush extra handy for cleaning grime out of your sprockets and chain. You should have 3 basic types of lubrication: chain oil, light oil, and waterproof grease. See the video on choosing the right lubricants for more lubrication tips. Both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers are essential for many common tasks. For pliers, you should have a good set of wire cutters for trimming inner cable ends. The 4th hand tool is also invaluable for adjusting brake and derailleur tension and attaching zip ties. If you plan on replacing cable housings, a proper cable cutter makes a clean cut every time. Most of the components on modern bikes are fastened using 4, 5, or 6 mm Allen bolts. One of my favorite tools is the Park Triple Hex wrench set, which includes all 3 basic sizes. I also find it useful to have a set of long-handled ball-end Allen keys on hand, as they include some extra sizes like an 8 mm for crank bolts, and a ball end that makes it easy to quickly loosen or tighten long bolts. For wrenches, most components are between the sizes of 8 to 17 mm. So having a good set of open-end wrenches is a must. It's also a good idea to have a couple of adjustable wrenches on hand for odd jobs, but I recommend using the proper size whenever possible, as adjustable wrenches often slip and can damage your bolts. A 15 mm pedal wrench is necessary for tightening or replacing pedals. They come with a long handle which helps loosen pedals that are often very tight. If you have an older threaded headset, you should have either a 32 or 36 mm headset wrench for making adjustments. A set of 13 and 15 mm cone wrenches are also often needed to adjust your front and rear hubs. For tire repairs, you'll need a set of plastic tire levers. Never use a screwdriver or metal tool to pry off your tires, as you'll run the risk of pinching your tube or damaging your rim. For installing very tight tires, I recommend the Cool Stop bead jack, which makes it really easy to pull them on. Of course, every home mechanic should also have an air pump, tire gauge, and if you have Presta-Valves, a Presta-Valve adapter. The last thing you should have are some basic wheel truing tools. Spoke wrenches come in 3 common sizes which you can get individually or as a combination tool like the one from Park. You can usually make minor wheel adjustments on your bike using the brake pads as a guide, but if you want to be more precise, you'll need a truing stand. Park makes a great economy stand called the TS8, but if you're looking for a shop quality stand that will last a lifetime, it's worth investing in the TS2. If you want to build your own, bikehacks.com has another great article showcasing some home-built truing stands.
Once you've invested in these tools, you'll be ready to tune up your bike and take care of minor repairs yourself.